Hey guys, here is a quick overview of some of the websites for the culture project that you can visit. This first one is Science Kids. They have a lot of the countries, and you can see here you can click on the link or you can click on the flag to locate information from your country. So like we talked about in class, make sure you know what questions you're looking for, what kind of information you're looking for. So if you're looking for geography, you're going to look for clues like England is bordered by Wales to the west and Scotland to the north. That's a geography clue because it shows the location. Now, if you're reading through and you find some other facts and you know that you're going to need that information, you can definitely add it to your outline. But make sure you're searching for only one or two questions at a time in your research. One of the other websites you can go to is this National Geographic Kids. You're going to want to just stay right at the search bar. You don't need to go down and do all of the other information. You can save that for later. But you type in the country that you're looking for. I typed in Canada information because I wanted to be a little bit more specific. And it comes up, the very first thing is Canada's country profile. So I'm going to click on that, give it a second to load, and it gives me some pictures. I can look through the pictures, there aren't very many, but if I'm still looking for geography, I'm going to be focusing on the location and the landforms of Canada. So here gives me some information. It gives me the area in square miles and some mountain ranges and some rivers. Great geography information. Nature, another part of geography. Geography, another part of another place you can get facts from. So, and if you scroll down, you'll also see that there's people and culture and government and economy. This will be a great website to visit once again when you're looking for those facts. You can come here to Fact Monster for countries of the world. Be careful, this video pops up and plays right away. You need to focus on these countries right in here. So you go down, you find your country, and you want to focus here on this left-hand side. It gives you some of the basic information. Oh, see, there's the video. And then it gives you a little bit of geography and then later government and history. This website will be very important when you get to the history part of your research. And finally, one of the last websites I'm going to talk about is this Geography World Travel Guide. So over here on the left-hand side, once again, you'll see some countries listed. Now this doesn't have every country, but it does have a lot of the ones that you guys need for your research. So you just click on one, and you'll see that a lot of the facts are being repeated. For example, the population and the capital and the languages. This is great because you can fact check that the information you got from the first website is accurate. So if you're seeing the information twice, that's okay. Just check and make sure that the information is what you want and is accurate. Here's the geography paragraphs once again, and then it goes down and the main attractions. This will be really good when you're looking for recreation and travel activities for your country. So there you go, guys, a quick overview of how to browse through these websites, and good luck on your culture reports.